How to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. I'm going to tell you how to cash on delivery on Aliexpress. First off, Aliexpress doesn't offer cash on delivery in most countries. The platform mainly supports upfront payment methods like credit or debit cards, and sometimes local wallets, depending on where you're from. That said, there are a few regions like parts of the Middle East or South Asia where COD might still show up as an option. But it's not common. To check if it's available for you, go to checkout and see if cash on delivery appears under payment option. If it's not there, it's simply not available in your area. No trick, no hidden settings. The only real workaround is to use prepaid cards or top up wallets if you don't want to use a credit card. So bottom line, COD isn't a standard feature anymore, but if you're lucky, it might show up based on your region and the specific seller.